Hey everybody, welcome back. Skyway Classics here. Today we're showing you a 1931 Buick. Doing the video a little different today. Just giving you a quick little walk around with it running. And then I'm going to hop in and we'll go through. Check out the horn. Beautiful kind of two-tone cream paint job. Total vintage. What a time capsule. Alright, let's go for a ride. Alright, here we are inside the 1931. In the back seat here. Check out the curtains. Pretty cool. This was definitely a luxurious vehicle back then.
Just take it nice and slow.
It's very comfy in here.
Very nice.
Almost like you're sitting on your couch in your living room.
Yeah. Alright, we'll go ahead and swing her around and get her up on the hoist.
Alrighty, sounds good.